Hello friends, this is Dr. Sujesha. Now we shall see here what happens in osteoarthritis and how nutritional supplements are going to be useful in this degenerative disease. Osteoarthritis is a degenerative disease which involves the joints in our neck, in our back, hip, knee joint, or it may be ankle. It may affect even the small joints. The commonest cause of getting osteoarthritis is because of overweight. As you know that the joints of a person are individually made to bear his body weight as decided by his framework and as per his height. If the person is overweight, automatically the joint has to bear more weight, and gradually over years there is degeneration in the joints, and this leads to initially mild pain on exertion or after exercise, which may gradually increase to become a persistent pain all throughout the day. The commonest cause of osteoarthritis, apart from being overweight, is wrong exercise, some lifestyle which involves repeated squatting or lifting heavy weight, or there might be some external injury to the joint. It is commonly seen after the age of 40. Beyond the age of 60, almost 50% of the individuals are having osteoarthritis in at least one of the joints. Let us see what happens in osteoarthritis of the knee joint. This is a model of a knee joint where you can see that the articular surface is smooth. There is a ligament joining the two bones of the knee joint. Then there is a cushion, C-shaped cushions on both the sides, and there are muscles all around which support this knee joint. What happens in osteoarthritis is a thinning of the articular surface, and this friction between the two bones. As there is friction, the person starts feeling mild pain, especially on exertion. With the progress of the disease, the articular surface becomes rough and there is bleeding in the joint. The margins of the bones start becoming rough and there are formations of spurs. The smoothness of the joint is lost. There is swelling in the bones, and therefore the pain aggravates. Especially there is severe pain on squatting or sitting down. In the severe form of osteoarthritis, there is complete damage to the synovial membrane. The bones have swollen, there is swelling all around the joint, and the person suffering from this disease will feel pain even at rest all throughout the day and night. Let us see how nutritional supplements will help in osteoarthritis. These are best when started in early stages of the disease. Glucosamine hydrochloride from Nutralite has glucosamine, it has bromelain, it has Boswellia serrata, which is a gum resin, it has acerola cherry extract, and it has lemon bioflavonoids. These all factors help in reducing the swelling of the joint. Secondly, we need to improve the strength of the bones, for which we need to supplement the person by giving calcium and magnesium in right proportion along with vitamin D. Vitamin D, as you know, we get naturally free of cost when we are exposed to the sunlight in the early morning hours, 1 hour after the sunrise. Thirdly, we need to improve the strength of the muscles by proper guided physiotherapy exercises and taking protein supplements. Fourth and most important, not to forget the weight, because as we are treating, if the person is not going to reduce the weight, he is not going to get any benefit. So to reduce the weight, we need to give him proper diet guidance, a low calorie, high protein diet, along with, yes, if he is not able to do exercise, we have to give him positron to reduce the weight. Nutralite Daily, which contains multivitamins and multiminerals, helps to fight the oxidative stress that occurs in the joint. Now let us meet my patient Mr. Das and hear what he has to say about Nutralite supplements. Can you tell your experience about Nutralite?
Actually, my wife was suffering from knee joint as well as back pain for approximately 10 years. We tried in almost so many places, but still it was deteriorating. So ultimately we came to you and you prescribed that glucosamine HCl as well as Calmac D. In addition, this protein X, so for 6 months. After consuming that, she is better than before, and she can do her work properly. She can walk at a stage about 1 kilometer, and previously what was her condition, it is better now.
Comparatively, like she's much more independent now.
Right.
Okay.
I hope this video was helpful. I'll be putting more such videos on healthcare, so be sure to subscribe to my channel, which is absolutely free. Bye bye.